box, and here we got him. Yes, you got him.
Okay, guys, don't worry. She's holding her from the neck. It doesn't get close.
So we're gonna put him in the box.
It does not hurt him at all.
His mom left him, so we're. He's scared. It's not a problem. He's just scared. There's none of the moms that we've. We tried to make like a cat mom, tried to adopt him, but like there was no cat respond. We can't find any mom, so we're gonna try to like make him like used to us a little bit, like trust us a little bit, and like see what he reacts. So I'll show you in a second. Yeah, we're gonna try to take his trust.
You maybe can't see her.
Yeah, but leave him alone.
Yeah, so we're gonna just try to get her trust now, and if it works out, we can put it all over Facebook, Instagram, maybe YouTube. People might like it, and so this is her. She's pretty scared now.
Wearing gloves for safety.
Yeah, she's wearing mom's wearing gloves for safety.
Okay, got some food cat right here. Should we put in the big bowl?
Where's the other one, small one?
We're just gonna wait until she calms down.
Chocolate one.
Gotta put the food in, see you guys later. So he's starting to trust a little bit, just a little bit.
He's been screaming all day and night, so his throat is very like
Yeah,
dry.
look at. See, it's like so. Ooh, so much
We should
fleas.
wash him.
Put her in that box.
Should we put his food in there? Should we put his food and water in there? Because I
Pet him.
He's so very confused. Should we put her food and water in there?
She's not that scared, but she still doesn't like trust us fully.
Give me the food.
Yeah, give her the food. Let her eat. Yeah, she's gonna eat. Wait, she's not gonna eat. Oh, she's gonna eat.
Should we give her water?
Just wait.
Okay, this is boring. She's gonna eat, so we're just gonna show you guys later what's gonna happen.
When she puts her ears down, that means she's scared.
She doesn't do anything. Lexi bites mommy, and she doesn't like get.
Yes.
So he is very quiet. He's not like that annoyed.
Washing his fleas off.
Wait,
That's it.
These can jump so.
So we're removing the fleas.
So right now I don't know if you can hear me, but so right now we're just drawing her up after we showered her. She's looking good, no more fleas, I believe. So we showered her, we dried her, we put flea medicine on her. She's looking good so far. We put a bottle in her place where she can get warm with hot water inside of it. Well, she's not really she's getting our trust a little bit more, but she really doesn't like the place. That's what it looks like. And now we're just gonna post it on Facebook and see who wants it, and whoever's gonna adopt it gets to adopt it. And they can come, and then we're gonna send them, fair or not, and we can just give it to them. Yeah. Hopefully everything's gonna go well. Open our pot.
So it doesn't move. In the box.
so I can sleep. Cry whole night so I can sleep all day. Hey.
I have. Meow. She's so small. Peter got adopted and now she's in her forever home. Look how happy she is.